Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal and transfer it to your bank account. Okay, so as you can see, I have a PayPal balance of $230.63. So I'm going to want to transfer that PayPal balance to my bank account. So I'm just going to click right there where it says $230. And then it's going to bring me to the screen here where you can still see your PayPal balance at the very top. So you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you see a section that says more options right here. The first option is going to be transfer. You're going to be transferring it from your balance. So click on transfer, and then another menu will pop up. Transfer money. You can transfer money to your bank, transfer money to your PayPal savings, or transfer money internationally. So for this video, I'm going to click on transfer to bank. Okay, and then this is going to be your transfer screen, and at the very top here you'll see this pencil icon. If you don't want to withdraw the full amount, let's just say I wanted to withdraw $200 instead of $230, I would click on that pencil icon, and then I could modify the amount that I actually wanted to transfer. And below the transfer amount, you'll see two options. You see transfer within minutes. However, you will be charged a 1.75% fee, or you can select the second option, which is totally free. However, your transfer will take 1 to 3 business days to process, but it's free. So I typically go with this option. And then just below your two options, you'll see your bank account that is going to be transferring to. So if you're not good with this, then click on that little blue change text to the right of your bank account. And at the very bottom, you'll see where it says transfer however much money you're going to transfer. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to transfer $230.63. And just like that, my $230 is on the way, being transferred from PayPal to my bank account. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.